Okay, this is Business 342, Practice Final, Set 2, Problem number 7. Okay, no one could ever be sent to jail for profiting from insider trading if the market was which form of efficient? So what they're talking about in your workbook on page 67, there's talking about efficient capital markets. I don't know if you can see all this. Efficient capital markets. That's the title of the page. Let me do it like this. Okay. Okay. Efficient capital markets and then efficient market hypothesis, EMH. So it goes through the different types of efficiencies, the strong form, the semi-strong form, and the weak form efficiency. So this is on page 67 of your workbook. Page 67. Okay, so make sure you know this stuff because he's not going to give you the same question. It'll be from one of the other forms if it shows up on the test. But just so you notice, on the strong form of efficiency right here, it says if the capital market is strong form efficient, then investors could not earn abnormal returns regardless of the information they possess. So if it's strong form efficient, that's telling you that even if you have insider information, you're not going to get abnormal returns in this strong form efficiency. It says if the market is strong form efficient, then investors could not earn abnormal returns regardless of the information they possess. So even if they had insider information, but the strong form efficient, which means it's a very efficient market, everybody's got all this same information, and everything should work out efficiently for everybody as far as buying and selling stocks and getting the best prices and all that stuff. So let's go back to the question. Make sure you read that, and make sure you read the additional document that he has. That is like 27 pages, but it's only really, it's just those slides basically. I mean, you can read it in like 10 or 15 minutes about ethics, because he says there's going to be bonus questions on the exam concerning ethics. So make sure you read that I think it's like a PowerPoint presentation basically. It doesn't take long to read, and if you can get a couple other points, a couple extra points, great. Okay, so the answer to this, the question is, no one could ever be sent to jail for profiting from insider trading if the market was which form? Well, we just read where it says if it's strong form, it says if the market is strong form efficient, then investors could not earn abnormal returns regardless of the information they possess. So why would they send you to jail for profiting from insider trading if they're telling you even with no matter what information you possess, you wouldn't get any abnormal profit? So you wouldn't profit from insider information, so you wouldn't go to jail for it. So that's what I wrote. One of the definitions of strong form, then I just read it to you. So even if someone had insider info in strong form efficient market, they wouldn't earn an abnormal return. So insider trading wouldn't be a crime because there is no additional benefit to having the insider info. So I hope that makes sense to you. It's just basically saying that the market would be so efficient in strong form that insider information would basically be useless because everybody would have, I guess, the same type of information anyway in that type of form. So the answer is D, in strong form efficient. No one could ever be sent to jail for having insider information for trading. Okay, so that's practice final set 2, problem number 7 for business 342.